Oh, hey guys, I was looking at my two cars that I got for my Christmas. And Merry Christmas, because today it is Christmas. This is the GTR that I got for this year's Christmas, and this year's Christmas is a Ferrari. They have 275 pieces. The GTR has 298 pieces, and I'll be building these. And I'll be right back with you guys for the final model.
Open na. Why?
I just finished building these things, and these look good. Really cool. So this is how the Ferrari looks. That's the final model. And then this is how the GTR looks. And they run smooth. And then this one runs smooth, I think. And these are the final models of how the building. And you can also take that open to take out your character like that. So that's the hair comes with this guy. And then this cap is in GTR. That's his hair, and then this is what's inside the GTR. This is what's inside the GTR. See? And then this is what's inside the Ferrari. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching and have a good Christmas day. Bye.